Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see one problem from IND AS 19, and this is the one of the easiest problem we can score full 7 marks in the exam without any effort because the problem is like that. So to understand this problem, we don't need to have any prior background, prior background of prior background or any prior knowledge for IND AS 19, but I'll just give you the glimpse of IND AS 19. IND AS 19 is nothing but the employee benefit standard. Employee, it's all about employee benefits. Any consideration, any consideration between the employer and employee will be part of this standard. Okay, and these considerations can be either formal agreement between the employer and employee or legal requirements like PF or gratuity or any other forms of etc, any other considerations given for employee benefits that can be included to this expenses part. Okay, and both full time, part time, whole time directors, everybody includes in this. And so this is the short glimpse of this IND AS 19. And when it comes to this problem, so what they are saying is we have to find out the liability and the expense to be recognized as per IND AS 19. Though liability is for what is provision, considerations given by employer to employee, and one of the consideration we can say that is bonus, right? So for this bonus, the employer will be creating a provision for this bonus. So for the next year, how much bonus we need to pay, or how much inflation has been reached in the bonus part. So all these have been covered in this area, and let's quickly get into the problem. Okay, the first one. Okay, the first one is number of employees as same as the previous year. Okay, let's the particulars. So, computation of liability and expense to be recognized is the question, right? So what are all the informations we have? We have the number of employees, we have the employee turnover rate. So how much will be the attrition rate in the company, 8%, which is, and bonus paid to employees last year, how much bonus has been paid to the employees last year, and the increase in bonus rate. So you can see that there is a relation between these two one and these two. Okay, number of employees and their attrition rate, number of bonus and their inflation rate. That's it. The problem is the two things only revolves around these two things. Let's quickly put this, and we have to find out the liability and expense to be recognized. How much expense to we have to recognize this. So number of employees is how much, sorry, how many, that is 450, right? In previous year, during current year, there is a employee turnover of 8%, just minus row. Turnover means employee has been left the company, right? So 450 into 8%. 1 minute, let me take a calculator. Okay, 450 into 8% is 36. So there is only 414 employees currently in the organization. In current year, right? Okay, and what would be the bonus we are paying, and what's the inflation rate? Bonus we paid is 3 lakhs, right? Plus inflation, how much? There is an inflation of 6%. 3 lakh into 6%, which is 18,000. So we are paying 3,80,000 as the bonus for current year, right? So we found the number of employees and bonus for current year. So to find out the provision for bonus, we need to calculate this total provision. How much provision the company has to create for 414 employees? That is 318 rupees, right? 3,18,000 rupees. So 414 into 31800, okay, 13 crore 16 lakh. 16 lakh 52,000 is the provision the company has to create for the current year, right? So what's the entry? Employee benefit expenses, debit to provision for bonus, journal entry, which is 13 lakh 16,000, sorry, 13 crore 16 lakh 52,000, right? 13 crore 16 lakh 52,000 is the provision amount we need to pay to our employees, right? Well, and further thing, what it has been asked in the question is, so we have found out that this is the liability for the company which comes under short term liability, right? Short term provisions, so comes under current liability. That's it. In schedule 3 we came across one line item which is short term provisions, right? So that it has to be comes under that area under current liabilities part, okay, in the balance sheet. So what else has been given? This is our current liability and expense to be recognized as per, okay, this is the expense, and provision has been found out. Also state under which category this type of employee benefit will be classified. Obviously this is a short term provision only, so short term. Provision for bonus can be classified under short term. Short term employee benefit. Okay, so that's it. With this easy understanding, we can score 7 marks with this problem. So this one problem is from IND AS part, IND AS chapter in corporate accounting. We'll see some other problems in the future period. Thanks.